नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी धर्मेश आपलं स्पीक प्लस अकॅडमीत खूप खूप स्वागत करतो. आज आपण इयत्ता पाचवीतील द गोल्डन फेदर आणि द लिटल रेड हेन या दोन्हींचं एकाच व्हिडिओत वाचन करणार आहोत. द लिटल रेड हेन. A little red hen lived on a farm with a cat, a dog, and a duck. One day she found a few grains of wheat. Who will sow the wheat? She said. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little red hen. I will. So she sowed the wheat. After some time, the wheat grew tall with ears full of grains. Who will cut the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the duck. Not I,